Detained at the border. What are my rights? And so one of the ways that immigration detention takes place is at the border. Someone tries to cross the border and they are detained for one reason or another. At this point here, for a large part of the people, they don't put them in proceedings or anything like that. They ask them a bunch of questions and they get a transcript of these questions on a form. And then once they determine that the alien is what's labeled or called an arriving alien, they can take him, basically they can take him around and put him on the next plane going back to their country of origin. Now, in the event that in other cases, which are longer and where there has been an expression of some sort of fear of persecution or torture, then there are, the detention is elongated, and now they're going through the different ICE procedures, and so that immigrant or that alien has the right to ask for what's called a credible fear interview. In the credible fear interview, you'll have the official is called an asylum officer, and then this asylum officer will try to determine if you have a credible fear, if the fear of persecution and or torture is real, and then kind of categorize you. If you don't have a credible fear, then you continue to be in detention until you're removed. And if you do have a credible fear, then you might have the opportunity for a bond and to get out and then to continue your asylum case on a non-detained calendar, meaning like while you're not detained. And so the people that are detained and they lose their credible fear interview, they will typically be in what's called expedited removal proceedings. In expedited removal proceedings, what it really means is that they're not given the right to an immigration judge, and so they try to basically get rid of people without speaking to an immigration judge. If you have a credible fear interview with an asylum officer, even if you're found you don't have your credible fear interview was negative, you can still ask for that determination and that finding to be reviewed by an immigration judge, and you can ask to speak to an immigration judge. And so these types of cases get a lot more complex, and we'll try to cover them in other videos, but this particular video covers arriving aliens and people at the border, crossing, and what would happen to them. Thank you for watching, and if you like the content that we're offering and we're providing some value, we'd appreciate if you can give us a thumbs up, or if you have any questions or comments, or even things that we can do to improve, just put it in the comments below. And finally, if you need legal help, don't hesitate to contact us. You can reach us through our telephone number, or you can reach us through our website. Thank you.